What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I was thinking about a topic which is like really common. You have seen there are so many non-car guys, non-car enthusiasts who just likes to say some dumb stuff to car guys which is like offending to us. We don't say anything to them but still it offends us. So I'm just gonna talk about that and I'm just gonna let you know what 5 things and what couple things I know that non-car guys say to car guys, and we are just like a bit angry about that. Like if you have something that a non-car guy has said that to you, you can just comment down below and let me know, and next time I can add that in a video. So let's just get right into it. So the first thing non-car guys don't understand that we spend a lot of money on our cars. They just say why we do spend a lot of money on our cars, and it's just like our thing. We just love to spend money on our cars, all of that stuff which is like really new and really expensive. Why do you buy all that? Like a small phone will also do the same thing. So why do you buy all those equipments to just satisfy yourself? And that's the same thing. We just like to buy cars and just spend money on our cars because that is our satisfaction, and we just love to do that. Don't say that to non-car guys or anyone who just don't like cars, or any phone which you want. Why do you buy all of that stuff which is like really new and really expensive? Why do you buy all that? Like a small phone will also do the same thing. So why do you buy all those equipments to just satisfy yourself? And that's the same thing. We just like to buy cars and just spend money on our cars because that is our satisfaction, and we just love to do that. We just like to focus on that and spend money on that thing which we love. That why do you buy a best laptop? Why do you buy a new iPhone or any phone which you want? Why do you buy all of that stuff which is like really new and really expensive? Why do you buy all that? Like a small phone will also do the same thing. So why do you buy all those equipments to just satisfy yourself? And that's the same thing. We just like to buy cars and just spend money on our cars because that is our satisfaction, and we just love to do that. The second thing they say that we have really loud cars. Like what do they think? They think that we need attention.
No, God! No, God, please, no!
And a car guy just need attention. That's why he have a loud car and he just wants everybody's attention and he just wants to show off. Like that's not a case at all. We like to have loud cars because that is our satisfaction, and we just love that. That is for our pleasure and for our ears pleasure. We just love to have loud cars, and that is like our own satisfaction, and we are just satisfied that we have a nice car and we are just doing all that. So that's the main thing which they don't understand. And I'm just thinking about that. They just say like you need attention and you need to do this, you need to do that. That's why you are doing this. That's not true. That's not true at all. We just love to have loud cars. It's just really nice for us. The third thing I want to talk about, they say why do we buy manual cars instead of an automatic car? And mostly non-car guys like to have an automatic car because it's really easy to drive an automatic car. Wherever you are, you just need to have your one foot on gas and on brake, and you are just able to drive it really easily. If you are in a traffic jam or if you are anywhere, it's just like really easy and convenient to drive that kind of a car. But I'm just like, seriously? Like you are arguing us on that? Like you know we are car guys and we are car enthusiasts. We just love to drive cars. So why do we want to have automatic car? We would love to have a manual car because we are engaging with our car and we just have the whole response of the car. So that's the thing we just love to have. And why would we get an automatic car if we can drive a manual car and we can enjoy that than an automatic car? So why would we get that? Like it's just like, I don't know what to say. Like that is the really dumb stuff they just say, and I am not able to understand why do they say that. And they just say this and we are just like are you serious right now? We just love to buy a car which is fast, and we just have satisfaction that we have a fast car. And if we get a road which is like empty, or if we get a chance to go to a track, we can just put the potential of our car and we can enjoy it 100%. And we definitely do that. If we get an opportunity to do that, we'll definitely do that. Like you are not a car enthusiast, so why are you arguing about that? Like you shouldn't say that. I don't think they should be offended by those things. And they are just like, until and unless you are going to a track, you won't be able to drive a car really nicely and push it to its real potential. You should only spend a little bit on your car, and that's just alright. You need to buy a reliable car rather than any other car. So that is gonna approach to my fifth point. So my fifth point is, they say non-car guys, non-car enthusiasts say, why do we buy used car rather than just buying a new car? We just like to buy some used car and then modify that car. It's just like satisfying, and we have personal relation with our car, so we can do whatever we want to. We don't have to think about a lot of stuff while doing that. We just enjoy that. That's our life, and that's the way we like to live our life. They just don't want to spend money on cars, and they just think that if I'm buying any car for 25 grand, and they'll just say you should buy a brand new car for 25 grand, you can get another car for 25 grand and it's going to be brand new and it's going to be reliable. I'm like, what? Like, are you serious? It does not depend upon that if you are buying a used car or a new car. Both of those cars can be reliable. If you have the thing, like, you can check if a car is nice or not, if that is a used car, and if you can check that is a reliable car and it doesn't have a lot of problems, then you can buy a used car. And we just love to prefer to buy a used car and then modifying that car. And there's one more thing which is like really dumb. The non-car guys and non-car enthusiasts just point out that car and they'll just say some random name. Like, I have seen so many people who are driving a McLaren, and there's a person beside me and he just says, oh, that's a Lamborghini.
Stop it. Get some help.
And you should see that. And I'm like, what? Like, are you serious right now? You are making an insult of that car, and you are just naming that car a Lamborghini, and I am not liking it because I know what that is, and you are just insulting the whole car community by saying that, because it's just like a thing. You don't know anything about it, and you are just wasting others' time, and you are just wasting others' knowledge about that car, and they are also gonna think that it's a Lamborghini. So the next time if they're gonna see that car, and if they are with someone else, they're just gonna say them and tell them that it's a Lamborghini, and they won't be happy with that. Like, that is a wrong thing. Like, you shouldn't do that. Before saying anything or naming a car, you should know which car that is. Like, I have seen people just start typing that it's a Lamborghini, Mustang, is that, a red car is a Ferrari, every red car is a Ferrari. That's not a deal. Like, there are all other cars which can be red too. Not necessary that a red car is gonna be a Ferrari. Like, people are so dumb, they just say that I'm not gonna buy that specific car because my friend had that car and he had a lot of problems with that car, and they won't buy that car. And I'm like, yeah, are you serious? Like, you can just, it's not necessary that the car you are gonna buy is not gonna be reliable too. It's not gonna break down every single month like your friend's car did. You can just buy any car, and if you maintain it and if you know what to change on your car and how to look after your car is gonna be reliable and you won't have that many problems. So I think that was good enough, and you guys must have got something from this video. You can just relate this video to yourself, and you can just comment down below if something happened like this to you guys, and I would love to read those comments and I would love to read those stories. So thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope you got entertained, and just smash the like button and subscribe to my channel because that helps me a lot. Thank you guys. Peace out.